PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the Weather Xtreme video for Thursday, the 22nd of January. James Spann here, and hey, a heat wave, tropical heat wave. We're in the 50s today. First time we've been up there in a while. Let's go to some Skycam shots around the network. First off from Mount Cheaha, Alabama's highest point, just south of Anniston. Kind of a hazy, sunny day there. And even up on the mountain, they're at 51 at 2 o'clock. There's the Birmingham Skycam looking over toward Interstate 65 from the Daniel Building downtown, a sun-drenched city. And Gulf Shore is looking good. That's the view from the Phoenix All Suites. Here's the water vapor satellite imagery. Yeah, different look. The big high-amplitude pattern beginning to fade now. The Western Ridge, Eastern Trough configuration beginning to flatten out considerably. And temperatures accordingly are warming up. Look at the 50s up into Missouri. Even see some 60s around Wichita, Kansas. 70s over Texas. Is that 82 in Mineral Wells, Texas? Wow. No 70s here, but I do think we easily reach the 60s tomorrow. We can celebrate that. There's a look at the numbers at 2 o'clock. Mid-50s everywhere. Birmingham sitting at 54. Here's the expected precipitation around the nation for the next 5 days. Heaviest out west. Around here, a quarter to a half inch. I think a quarter inch is more like it. Not a lot. And most all of that would be Saturday. This is valid through Tuesday morning at 7 o'clock. Here's the 12Z GFS at noon tomorrow. A zonal flow now. And down below that, the cold air trapped up north. And should be a pretty decent day. Partly sunny with mid-60s tomorrow. That's going to feel just great. Saturday, here comes a surface boundary. And you can see that tries to squeeze out a little rain. I don't think it rains much. But we will mention a few periods of rain Saturday. Probably a quarter inch or less. It will not rain all day. And Sunday, the front gets down to about Montgomery and is stationary, so any light rain Sunday should be south of Montgomery and very spotty. For us, probably a mix of sun and clouds with a high in the 50s. Monday of next week, dry as a bone. That's a pretty cold air mass north of us, but the upper air winds will not allow it to penetrate down here. A 1,048 millibar high over the Dakotas. And then Tuesday, that surface high moves on to the east, but we stay dry. I think Monday and Tuesday will be seasonal. Highs in the 50s and lows in the 30s. Wednesday, showers north of here, but I think most of the state will stay dry. Thursday, a week from today, same deal. A southerly flow, but not much in the way of rain. And then a week from tomorrow, Friday the 30th of January, a trough passing through, and that suggests a rain event there. The system not quite as dynamic or as strong as recent runs, but again, some suggestion that might give us 1/2 inch of rain or maybe a bit more a week from tomorrow. Now, let's go into February. This is the 2nd of the month, and that's an interesting look. A closed cold core upper low. You know what those things are? Weatherman's woe. Rotating right through here. Very low thickness values, mainly because of the cold air aloft, but this is voodoo country. But there's been some suggestion of something like that around this time frame. And out there at the 7th, at the end of the forecast period, hey, that looks warm. The jet stream is shifted up north. We'd be up there way up in the 60s if this is right, but every model run is looking different. The NAO is in a state of flux, kind of going from positive to negative, and the confidence in anything specific out there at this time frame is looking pretty small. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and of course we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.